For viewers who are not familiar with furry culture, can you explain what a furry is?
Well, there's a bunch of different definitions. I'm gonna say the primary one that I say to everybody else. A furry is someone that enjoys the uh, anthro arts, or the general concept of characters being furrified, cute, adorable, animal-like. So it's a bunch of different things. For me, it's the social aspect because I have social issues IRL, which I've worked on, and it's a lot nicer now. But it helps people have a new face so they can easily talk about things and be affectionate in different ways.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that the furry is almost like the furry nature of the bodies makes it almost like a consenting touch relationship where it's like a signal saying, I'm approachable, I'm touchable.
Yeah,
Okay.
a lot of people with their cute little avatars, it shows that, hey, this person's sweet, this person's nice, this person wants to have fun, talk with them, and just generally be talked to.
More approachable and also like more relational.